Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to add family member in Netflix and how to create profiles for your family members. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to your Netflix account, open the app. And after that, there is two choices. The first one is from the main screen. You can click on add and create a new profile, or you can choose your main profile. And after that, click on my Netflix. And after that, click on your name. And after that, click on add profile. Write the name of the profile. For example, I will call it Ali. And you have to choose if this profile is kid profile or not. And after that, click on save. And as you can see, we created a new profile for your family member that he can use it easily on Netflix. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you